We're just going to roll back about 20 years in importation history to 1978, when Frank Berry-Smith imported a clone of Chardonnay from Switzerland, from Lucerne. It's called Chardonnay 2-23. I recall when it sort of first hit the market in the mid to late 80s, there was quite a lot of interest in it. It was around about the same time as Chardonnay Clone 6. It was soon superseded by the likes of Clone 15 and 95. Now, Nick, you've had a bit of experience working with Chardonnay 2-23. Can you tell us about that and what you're seeing here?
Yes, when I was working at Martinborough Vineyard, we grew 2-23, Clone 6 and Clone 15 in our Chardonnay block down there. The 2-23 wine was always preferred over the Clone 6 and roughly on a par with the Clone 15. However, the 2-23 that I was looking at in Martinborough wasn't quite as productive as what you see here today.
This wall of fruit.
Yes, this is really very big bunches, bigger than the Clone 6 and bigger than the 95. And having said that, though, I don't see any rot in here. So I think maybe the skins are tougher, or because the bunches are very tight, but they haven't seemed to push off and haven't seemed to got any botrytis, which is kind of what we saw in Martinborough as well.
And that's certainly something I've noticed in the 5 years it's been planted here, that we've been seeing fruit. Every year it's held up very well. So yeah, went, it hasn't been planted. I don't know when we last grafted 2-23, but we just thought we'd just show you this just as a matter of interest, just to help to complete that history. So now we'd like to move down and start looking at the new Ontave selections, which we started importing back in 2003.